And fellow trader, it's Will here with FXAUUSD.com, and in this video I just want to do, sorry about that, I just don't want to do a quick video on the trading view idea that I just put up on the British Pound USD here. Okay, it is related to this post I posted the other Saturday there, just before we had the market crash. Okay, as I said in that post, we'll go over this video, the actual idea in this video. Okay, so before we get started, if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, simply hit the subscribe button now, and let's get into the actual setup and what I'm actually looking at. I'll just delete all these boxes here and we'll go through this quickly. Okay, we'll keep the writing because it takes too long to write again. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the monthly charts here. Okay, okay, just delete that, move that across here. Okay, so as I said in the first post, we would likely target the 1985 lows here. Okay, these were untested and the market will likely test this area here. Okay, we'll just do that green. Okay, delete that. The reason being, you can see the huge rally we had from that area before. Okay, that was the long-term target that I thought the market was going to. Okay, as I said in that post, that's where I was looking at a correction first before going back down there. We didn't get the correction. I said also in that post that if it was going to drop down quickly to those levels, it would likely be last Monday morning, which is actually what actually happened, and which was the crash. Okay, so what I'm looking at, as I said in that post, I'm looking for a short-term sale at the previous monthly support, which was this low here from the flash crash in 2020. Okay, and you can see the market, as I said in that post, the correction would likely target this area first before correcting down. And like I said, I thought about it, correct it down and hit the 85 lows first. We got that very quickly last week, so I don't expect the market to come all the way back down here again. Okay, so the sell opportunity is, we go and zoom into the lower time frames, go to the weekly charts here. Okay, now we have this weekly supply slash sell zone here. Okay, bang on that, more or less bang on around the 14 level. Okay, so what I want to start looking for here is for my indicator to start giving me a signal on the daily, not the 2-day, the daily or the 4-hour charts. As you can see, probably get the 8-hour charts, one of these, any chart from the 4-hour up to the daily, I'll be looking for a sell signal. Okay, you can see that the market has simply been drawn to this level. It might rally up through it a bit further up to that weekly zone, okay, here, okay, before selling off, or it could rally all the way back up here, okay, because it is a very strong move. But if we look at the 12-hour chart, okay, what as I said in the post, want to see happen is, you can see this area here, okay, newly created 12-hour demand area, okay, here. So what I want to see happen is basically on my sell signal, if I get the sell signal happens, is here, and then I'll be looking to buy again around this area here. Okay, so I'm looking to sell here, as I wrote in the post, in this area if the signal happens. Okay, and you can see the long-term targets for this is if we've got lows here, were previous supports, that we're broken out through. That's around the 119 area. And we also, if we zoom in, I just delete that. We have a nice supply sell zone there, okay, in this area here in the mid-20s. This is from a previous post also. So market likely target this area, drop back down, and then move back up, okay. You can see this a lot clearly on the see this a lot more clearly on the weekly charts, okay. And you can see the actual supply sell zone inside that monthly level here, okay. And that starts around the 120 area, okay. So a reaction here, possibly a sell off back down, and then a rally back up, taking out this zone up to the next level around 120, okay. Now this all depends if I get the signals, okay. So I've got to wait for my trend reversal king indicator to actually give me, go back in 1 second here. Good thing with TradingView, you can get a lot more time frames and you can get a lot more data dating away back, which is something I didn't know about till the past few months here. And I'm really liking the TradingView interface, okay. So sell back down here, look for a buy signal here, waiting for a sell signal up around this area here, sell back down, profit target down in around the 110 to 109 area, and then looking for a buy signal to move this all the way back up to 120, okay. So sell 114 above, look for the sell signal, and then hopefully ride that trade down to the 110 area at least, and then get in to a buy signal to move that all the way up to the 118s above. Okay, so that is just basically a breakdown of the actual setup, what I'm actually looking at in the charts. If you want to subscribe to my TradingView profile, you can over TradingView. Just look for the FX Ace, and you will be able to get updated for free any post that I post there. If you want to get access to all my weekly and daily signals and trades that I'm placing in the markets, you can simply find the link below. So okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you on the next video well over to fxace.com.